All right, so these are the Gorilla Glue sticks, and this is the Gorilla Glue gun, and it goes in the back of the gun. You pull the trigger, you got a little stand here, it holds it up. You can see some's fallen out of it already. How are you gonna do this?
I was looking for a piece of plastic.
That might work.
I mean, I'm going to fill most of it with glue, so.
Okay, here goes the glue. So what she's doing is squeezing the trigger, and then it just smushes out. You see that?
And then I'll hot glue it to the plate.
Using the Gorilla Glue gun. Opens up the thing, sets it down. Now you can just smush that right on the glue. All right, glue it up. Glue it up. You can smell it.
Yeah.
What about over here?
I know. I'm thinking about putting another.
I think you could just put glue there.
I can. I just want extra. If I can do it.
Oh, there you go. Gluation. Gluation.
Gluation.
That's it right there. Woo! Look at that. There's a lot of glue on there.
So I forgot. Well, it doesn't have to drain. I guess I can tip it out.
It's gonna drain. Yeah, I don't think you got it all.
No, because this is the hole here. If I glue it to the plate, so this is going to be uneven.
That's okay.
So
You don't
I
see the
can-
back of it.
If I can build up the bottom a little and not glue it to the plate. Because I need that hole open.
You're almost out of the thing.
Oh, stick another one in there.
Just put it in?
Yep,
All right, this is how it goes in.
push it. Okay.
That's good? Look at that. All right. We used almost a whole stick.
That's okay. But this might work.
All right, let's see. Let's do it. She is not kidding. She's doing it. She's getting lots of glue on there. Check it out. That's the stand there. You can flip that back. All right, that's a lot, honey.
I know, but I'm missing this edge, so I'm building up this edge here.
Is it drying?
That part is almost dry, yeah.
Okay. You saved it.
Maybe.
All right, now we just got to put it on the thing. I mean, you really are. You almost used this whole other stick.
It's fine. I'm building up this side that broke off.
Okay.
That's why it kept falling over. Oops,
She's
see?
a professional glue gun operator. All right, so we did finish it, and we glued it onto here. These things go in the back. You squeeze that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. So highly recommend getting one of these on Amazon. Peace out.